Hello YouTube, welcome to Big Time Nights here for the White Lotus Season 1, Episode 3. I just got done watching the last episode and I was like, let's just go on and watch the other one. Last episode, just this, what I said is just a slice of life, so far. We're seeing everyone's flaws and whatnot, but it's keeping my interest. So we're just gonna see if it continues to do that, or we'll see where the story goes. But I did say at the end of the last episode, like, I thought something was gonna happen to the brother, but he got to see an amazing sight by going to the beach, whereas he wouldn't have seen that. But anyways, let's just find out what happens. Anyways, so just like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this episode, and make sure you watch your copy, then come over and watch my reaction. All right, guys, here we go.
Paula? Hey. Where were you?
I just walked around.
Why do you care so much what she's doing? Why does it affect you this bad? Unless you're attracted to her some way. Hey, your Nintendo Switch device and all that stuff is swept out to the sea now. What did you think was gonna happen? Come on, man, the tide. It's gone. Oh no! Well, hey, I was a little too ahead of myself. But still, where's your Switch? Technical devices are gone. Done. That sucks.
That was amazing. Love you, Rach.
Love you too.
I can't wait to fucking to eat.
So she's having like second thoughts, like this soon into your marriage. Like, what the fuck? This is why you shouldn't make rash decisions about getting married and whatnot.
That fucking place exploits you, Mom. That lady says jump, you say how high. I'm serious. Work it. Get your own thing going. You deserve it.
Alright, we'll see.
Yeah, I'm with the son. Exactly. Take advantage of opportunities, man. They don't happen often.
Your grandfather died of AIDS.
How did he get AIDS?
Apparently, Paula, he was having sex with other men.
Who was?
Your dad's dead.
Why?
Because he liked it. Why else? He was probably closeted.
Or bisexual.
Dad, why are you so upset though? You're like catatonic.
Well, it was a secret that was kept from him his entire life, Liv. So now, whatever image he had of his father, of his childhood, has been pulverized.
Exactly.
He was probably a bottom. That's how you mostly get.
Oh my gosh. Shut up, daughter.
Do you feel like your father was less of a man or something?
He might have not been gay. A lot of straight guys like Aspley.
Oh, shut up. What the fuck?
I'm gonna use a dildo on him.
Oh, Jesus. Can we? Nah, please.
Even if he wasn't a top, it doesn't mean he was femme. He could have still been butch, Dad.
Maybe he was a bossy bottom.
He was alpha.
Feel better?
You know, if he's having a negative visceral reaction to his father having gay sex, it's valid. It's fine.
Well, it comes off as homophobic.
Well, it's not.
Well, that's how it comes across.
Well, luckily he's in a safe space and he's here with our family, so he can come off however he wants.
Up to a point.
Or what? You'll cancel him?
Cancel him.
Stick the K-pop fans on him?
I still have to deal with.
Your wife understands you. man. I mean, you're not trying to be homophobic or anything, but it is a visceral reaction to the guy that you had, the image of the man that you had in your head the whole time. Like, just learning something about him that's completely different can affect you. Learning something about anyone that the image that you used to have can affect you greatly. So I don't know. It just affects everyone in different ways. But yeah.
Yes, I think I'm gonna need a drink.
Of course. Some fruit and cheese, maybe?
Could you just tell the captain that I think I'm gonna be a little emotional. I just want him to be fully prepared. Could be like total basket case.
Well, see you at 5.
But let's definitely order the cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
Christy, could you cover the desk?
Of course.
I just need to get something from the office.
Sure, not a problem.
A small little interaction like that is pushing you over the edge, man. God damn. Like, these are all the reasons like why I like drugs do not entertain me at all like this. Like, do you want to be like wired like this?
I did see a whale last night on the beach. That was pretty cool.
Well, you're not sleeping out there again.
Mom, he likes it. He's communing with nature.
It's funny how you're able to have so much compassion for all these groups of oppressed peoples you don't even know, and yet not for your family.
Yep, okay.
Exactly. No, she's right.
What about a candlelit dinner and a charter boat at sunset?
That sounds perfect.
You can watch the sunset from a private cove.
Oh,
Schools of dolphins leaping and circling the boat as you cruise the coastline, sipping pina coladas, debating the names of your future offspring.
I don't know.
Well, it sound like a plan?
Yeah.
Well, see you down at the dock at 5.
Okay, great.
Tonight then.
Yeah, thanks.
Just setting him up.
I don't feel like doing this now. It's fine.
Wow.
It's just like, what is real? You know, what's real? Are you gay? No. Okay, because if you are, it's okay. Just like be real. And being real.
I think your daughter might be, though.
So, yesterday you were reading Freud and Nietzsche, and today you're reading what? So you finished Freud and Nietzsche. Are you actually reading any of these books?
No, they're just props. We have a stylist choose our outfits, and then we have a book stylist pick out our books.
Yeah, that's what I figured.
Yeah, it's really relaxing. I really want to.
Why is he talking to these random teens, though? It's kind of weird.
If you don't come to the pool's gonna come to you.
I don't get this. What's going on? What is he doing? Like, his wife is right there. Like, huh?
I chased Nicole for 3 years, and she wouldn't let me touch her. And then when I finally could, I couldn't get enough. Man, I had to have it all the time. She thought it was nuts. She thought that I should see a doctor. She thought I had priapism, which is like, hey, bud, when you get this perpetual hard-on, an erection that you will not go down.
Yeah.
It's a weird conversation to have with a stranger. I guess she asked the question, so he's going in deep.
It's natural to want something new.
He is drinking a lot though. He's constantly drinking since he heard about his dad and everything. And he has no filter right now.
Hey. Thank you for coming. I know I don't know you, but I'm glad you're here. Well, these are my mother's ashes, and I just want to say that, you know, I don't want tonight to be a downer. You know, my mother would have wanted us to have a good time. So let's have fun, okay? I think I need to sit this down.
We've been set up.
Leprosy is no joke.
It's not.
You know about leprosy, right?
Right.
That's a weird nerve disease where they have.
Oh my god, he has absolutely no filter.
You're not even know it. Yeah.
Let's go.
Want to get out of it?
They're like, we're saved.
See ya.
Other friends like, well, she should have left with them too.
I guess I just get insecure, like, if our whole thing is based on your sexual attraction to me, then what happens when that attraction fades?
Oh.
It is not going to fade.
Well,
No.
Haley,
I think it's time. You guys are gonna have to get up. Oh,
yes.
can we move that table?
Of course, Mr. Walker.
Oh, hold on. That's fine. We did this.
Sorry, Mr. Walker.
Yeah, we're just gonna go.
Yeah, I got it. All right.
There we go.
Oh my god, this lady is unbearable. I'm sorry, she is.
And, she was an nymphomaniac. I'd walk in a room and I'd find all sorts of strange men.
Jesus Christ.
My poor mother's in here. I need someone's help.
Do you want me to open the box?
Yeah, I would love that.
Yeah.
Please don't like splash in my face.
Goodbye, Mother.
Just dump it out all at once. God damn.
I can't do this. You know, this is. I just realized it's too early for me. It's okay. Oh, my mother.
That fucking jerk hotel clerk jerk set us up. He set us the fuck up. And she sings, oh, this is gonna be the most oh, this is her. This is gonna be the most annoying trip. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I'm sorry, wife. He is heated. He is so pissed off. I would be too, man. I am so pissed off. Oh my god.
Hey, can I ask you a question? What's it like, you know, being fucked up the ass? Like, is that?
God damn, man. You're too open right now.
Otherwise, you wouldn't keep doing it, right?
Are you curious?
Does it feel good? Do you want to find out?
Oh my god, dude.
I'll take a rain check.
Yeah, he's like, I'm completely uncomfortable right now. I didn't intend for this conversation to go like this, even though I'm the one that pushed it.
When you're young,
I like women. Now he's gonna go back to his wife. Hey, I gotta get it in tonight.
There you go. On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Ray, you're a beautiful woman.
This woman is too much. I'm sorry. She really is.
I like this new hair look.
Yeah, you said that already.
Turns out you're my type. Blonde surfer with a man bun.
Slowly roll. I'm good, man.
Okay.
You've great work at doing.
Oh, well, thank you.
I have my eyes on you.
Okay, well, I will talk to you later.
All right, I'll see you.
Like, people have been coming for me my whole life. I'm just playing the hand I was dealt. Like, yeah, it's a great hand. And that's not my fault.
Shane, don't worry about it. I loved our dinner. I thought it was really romantic. Until it wasn't.
Yeah. Don't. I'm not in the mood. I'm just kidding. I'm always in the mood.
Yeah.
That was nice. Nice one, dude. You saw that your wife was you know, you want to please your wife. It's your honeymoon, man. It's good that he picked up on that. Is she gonna see her brother on the beach? Honestly, they're like fucking with the doors open and anyone can like really walk up like she did. It's kind of weird. That was a solid episode. Not as good as the first two in my opinion. But yeah, interesting show. It's a bunch, like I said, it's a slice of life. A bunch of different kind of storylines, but they're all, you know, connected in a way, but it's just, I don't know. I don't know what to call this show. It's like, it's keeping me intrigued throughout, to know what happens next. But I don't know. It's just, yeah, like I keep saying, it's a slice of life. But it's interesting. That's all I can really say. But I like it. I want to keep going. This is easily a show I could binge. But I'm going to do a reaction to it. So, but anyways, thank you guys for watching. Big Time Nice. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and for more. Alright guys, until next time, peace.